My beautiful friends, how are you all doing? It's been about 2 weeks since my last video. We're already in the new year. How are you guys doing? Well, in this video, let's talk about Nodepay. It is going to be listing on the 14th of January. So let's talk about how you can withdraw, how you can sell, and some other important information. Are you ready? So as we can clearly see here, if you log in, you are gonna see the date 14th of January, okay, and it's gonna become tradable on exchanges at this time right here. If you've not checked your allocation, you can click on that yellow button up there, and that's gonna take you to this page, and you can see my allocation. My total allocation from season 0, 1, and 2 is this right here. Pretty disappointing, but we don't know what the listing price is going to be yet. If you're wondering what the listing price could be, well, let's talk about it. As we can see right here, 42% is allocated for community incentives, 22.5% for ecosystem network and foundation. We can see the details here. I've got this right here to give us more insight to what could be the listing price. The total supply is 1 billion, and the first initial circulating supply is going to be 208 million. Based on those details, we can calculate or predict what could be the listing price. Okay, at 100 million US dollars in market cap, the listing price could be about 0.48. If the market cap is 200 million, then it is going to be 0.96, okay, close to $1. If it is 500, then it's going to be about 2.4 US dollars. If it is 1 billion, it is going to be 4.81. If it is 2, it is going to be this, as you can see, okay, but I highly doubt these ones here, okay. I think the listing price is going to be close to this right here, about 0.4 or 0.5 US dollars, okay. If you saw my previous video I made about 3 weeks ago or about a month ago on how to connect a wallet to your Nodepay account, you would have seen that I used the Soulflare wallet, okay. If you used any other wallet, maybe another Solana based wallet, well, you are good to go. So what you have to do is on the 14th, you just have to claim to that wallet, okay. For example, here is my Soulflare wallet, okay. I am going to just have to claim to this wallet when claiming opens, okay. I'm gonna tell you more about claiming and what time we should be expecting it, okay. But you know what, you would need to have some Solana in here, okay, as gas fees, and that's pretty simple. If you're wondering how you can go about doing that, all you need to do is to click on this button right here, the receive button, and that's going to show you your address, okay. So you would have to copy this address and then go to any exchange where you've got some Solana, maybe Bybit, Bitget, okay. Go over there and send Solana to this address, okay, and your Solana is going to reflect here, okay. At least you should have about $1 worth of Solana to be able to do this, okay. So once you've claimed your Nodepay tokens into your chosen wallet, okay, the next step will be to exchange your Nodepay tokens for Solana, okay. And one of the ways you can do that is to send your Nodepay tokens to any centralized exchange of your choice. It could be Bybit, it could be Binance, it could be Bitget, okay, and then you can sell over there, okay. But there is another possibility, and that is we could get an option to claim directly to centralized exchanges, that is off-chain deposit. They've not said anything about off-chain deposits, okay, yet, but we are expecting that, and if they're going to provide that option, then it will be easier, okay. You wouldn't have to just claim to your wallet. If they have that option, say it displays somewhere here, okay, all you just have to do will be to just claim to the exchange of your choice, maybe Bitget, Bybit, and then over there you can just sell for USDT or whatever stable coin that it is going to be paired with. Obviously, I expect it to be paired with Solana and maybe USDT. Okay, so this is how you can go about selling your Nodepay tokens. Okay, so on the Nodepay official Twitter account, they posted some of our details about this token. Okay, so if you go to their official Twitter account, the account has got over this right here, 376 following and 1.3 million followers. Okay, so make sure you are on the right Twitter account to avoid clicking on phishing links. Okay, here is the official contract address for Nodepay token, and if you click on this link, you get to see more details about Nodcoin. Okay, and some other important things you might want to learn. Okay, and again, talking about when to claim is going to be open on the 14th. Remember, 14th is when it's going to be tradable on exchanges. Somebody asked them here, when do we claim? No solid information about that, and they responded on the 14th of January. So remember, on the 14th, trading would start at this time right here. So if we're gonna be claiming same day, maybe about an hour or 2 hours to this listing time right here, we would get the opportunity to claim to our wallets, or maybe claim to different centralized exchanges. Okay, so make sure you're subscribed and turn on your notification bell. I'll keep you posted as we have more developing stories and information about this. This is for this video. This breaks out bees, and so I can sign off for now. Let's go.